So the first thing we're doing is grating our cheese. So for me, I use white cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to go ahead and grate my cheese. Now we're going to be cutting off the skin of the tomato, and then we're just going to be cutting it up into small pieces. You do not want the seeds and like the middle part, because that will make the toast, the pizza, very soggy. So you're only going to cut off the skin and just dice them up really small. Now I'm going to be slicing my sausage in two, because I'm going to be frying it just to get the outside very crispy and crunchy. You can use any meat kind that you want. You can use jerk chicken or anything that is tailored to your preference. Now when it comes to frying the sausage, you do not want to cook it for too long, because you just want to get the outside crispy. And now I'm going to cut them up into smaller pieces. I toasted my bread off camera, so what I'm going to be doing now is to add my sauce. So my sauce consists of ketchup and jerk seasoning. I added jerk seasoning just to give it a little bit more flavor. So now I'm going to be coating that on one side of my bread, and I'm going to be adding all of the toppings, which is the sausage, tomato, and cheese. So now I'm going to be adding butter to the outside of the bread, because I'm going to be toasting it. Now this is just going to melt the cheese and make everything just come together inside of the pizza, and it's really going to make it taste extremely delicious. So to toast my bread, I'm going to be using a non-stick pot, and I'm going to be putting it on low heat. There we have it, guys. This is the finished result, and I want to say it looks delicious. I'm going to be trying it out for you guys, my mini toast pizza.